Hey guys, today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-factor theorem. So, before you watch this video, dapat alam nyo na muna yung remainder theorem. Gumawa din ako ng video nun. Link ko na lang din sa description yung discussion about remainder theorem para panoorin nyo muna yon before you have factor theorem para hindi tayo naliligaw. Okay? So, by definition, x minus c is a factor of a polynomial p of x if the remainder when p of x is divided by p of x divided by x minus c is 0. So, pasimplihin lang natin. Di ba ginagamit natin yung remainder theorem? Ngayon, kapag daw si x minus c or the value of c, sinubstitute natin kay polynomial p of x at nag-0 yung remainder natin. That means x minus c is a factor of the polynomial. Okay, ulitin natin. X minus c, we get the value of c, di ba? In-equate natin yan kay 0. X minus c is equal to 0. Tinatranspose natin, that is x is equal to c. Ngayon, kapag si c daw, sinubstitute natin using the remainder theorem, sinubstitute natin kay p of x, and the remainder is equal to 0. That means, or the remainder is equal to 0, that means x minus c is a factor of the polynomial. Okay, so let's have an example. Prove that x minus 2 is a factor of x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 37x squared plus 82x minus 48. So again, gaya ng process natin sa remainder theorem, we copy the polynomial p of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 37x squared plus 82x minus 48. And then, yung x minus 2 natin, get the value of c from x minus 2, equate to 0. So, the value of x is equal to positive 2 ngayon. Si 2 ang isa-substitute natin sa x. So, that is p of positive 2. That is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 2 times 2 raised to 3 minus 37 2 squared plus 82 multiplied by 2 minus 48. Okay, so pwede naman, you are free to use calculators kung nahihirapan sa ganito. Kasi ang importante dito, alam nyo yung process na gagawin. Okay, so 2 raised to 4, that is 16, plus 2 times 2 cubed, that is 2 times 8, so that is also 16, minus 2 squared is 4. Okay, and then 4 times 37 is negative 148. Plus, so 82 multiplied by 2 is 164. And then you have negative 48 sa dulo. So this is equal to, we add this together, 16 plus 16 minus 148 plus 164 minus 48. Kapag kinompute natin yan, the answer will be 0. So that means p of 2 is equal to 0. Kapag nag-0 again yung remainder natin, ibig sabihin, by factor theorem, we already proved that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 37x squared plus 82x minus 48. So sulat na lang natin, therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. P of x is equal to, and then just copy this polynomial. Pwede naman yan. Okay, so that is how factor theorem works. Pag sinubstitute lang natin si value ni c sa ating divisor at nag-equate siya sa 0, so that means it is a factor. Paano naman kapag hindi naging 0? So that means it is not a factor. Okay, so let's have another example. Letter B. Determine whether x minus 3 is a factor of x raised to 4 minus 6x squared minus 15x plus 6. So, same process. Una, just copy p of x, and then x raised to 4 minus 6x squared minus 15x plus 6. And then you get the divisor x minus 3. Equate it to 0, so the value of x is equal to positive 3. Substitute 3 to the value of x, so p of 3 is equal to 3 raised to 4 minus 6 times 3 squared minus 15x plus 6. So this is equal to 3 raised to 4 is 81 minus 6 times 9 is 54 minus, sorry, hindi pala napalitan to. So, this is times 3. Minus 45 plus 6. And then, 81 minus 54 minus 45 plus 6. Kapag in-add together, the answer will be negative 12. So, that means P of 3 is equal to negative 12. Therefore, x minus 3 is not a factor of the polynomial p of x equals kung ano mang nasa given natin. Ito, kopyahin na lang dito sa kasunod. Okay, so ganun lang. Remainder theorem, ginagawa natin siya to see the remainder, and then factor theorem, ginagawa natin siya to prove if the given binomial is a factor or the given, yung nasa given na divisor is a factor. Katulad nito, in this case, this is x minus 3. Okay, so ganun lang. Substitute mo lang kapag nag-0, factor siya. Kapag di siya nag-0, hindi siya factor. Okay, so again, it's time for you to try. Determine if the given is a factor or not. So, yung nauna, sa letter A and B, yung nauna, that is the polynomial, and then x minus 3 and x plus 1 are the divisor. Try nyo lang, substitute, and then just state after you get the answer, state nyo lang. So, therefore, is it or is it not? Parang ganun lang. Okay, so that's all for factor theorem. I hope you learned something, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.